Upgrade or not to upgrade? That is the question. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And if you're new here, I do videos just like this as well as ADHD tips. So if that sounds like your jam, consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, what's up fam? Welcome back. Okay, so today I just want to have a little sit down, little conversation about when to upgrade and when not to upgrade. And what prompted this video is that I watch a lot of YouTube videos about tech, and then I see a lot of tech reviewers say when a new product comes out, hey, don't even bother upgrading, save your money. If you have last year's model, it's not even worth it. And I used to agree with that, but like I kind of disagree now. And it's because of what I do when I upgrade and how I make it justifiable. A really good example is this right here. This is the Ryzen 7 2700. I just recently picked this up during Amazon's Prime deals or Prime Days or whatever they call it. And I paid only $149 for it. And that's dirt cheap. That is pretty dirt cheap for this processor. But I did already have a Ryzen 7 1700. Now, when I did pick this up and installed it, and I did a video on it, and if you want to check it out, you can check it out right up, whoops, right up here. And I never get that right. You can check the video out there. And basically I said that the upgrade from the 1700 to the 2700 was pretty much negligible. I barely saw a performance difference. So then one would think the upgrade wasn't worth it. But I have a philosophy where when I upgrade a computer component or any kind of tech for that matter, I always and almost always sell off the old tech that I'm replacing. That's how I justify the upgrade, and that's how I offset some of the costs. Just to give you a general idea, $149 I paid for this, and then I turn around and sold my Ryzen 7 1700 for $137, thus making this a $13 upgrade, thus making it worth it, even though I'm still in the market to pick up that Ryzen 9 3900X. $13, yeah, it's totally worth it. So there are situations where upgrading to the newest product over the previous years is totally worth it. Another case scenario I want to share with you, and I actually already shared this in my baby blue video, and I will link that right up here so you can check that out, is this guy, the graphics card. I picked up the Sapphire Nitro Radeon RX 580 8GB for $140. The only reason why I picked it up is because it was blue and it matched my build. I had a perfectly capable RX 570 8GB already in baby blue that was working just fine. And this upgrade was like very minimal once again. But I had a RX 580 Red Devil in my Mac Pro that I turned around and I sold for $135, I think it was, thus making this upgrade only $5, because then I took that old 570 and dumped that into my 2010 Mac Pro. So there are cases where an upgrade is justifiable. You see a trend going on right here, right now? And that is a segue, this little bad boy, or girl. This is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2060 Super that I just picked up, and I paid 420 bucks for it. I mainly bought this for video editing, but it is performing pretty sweet in gaming as well. $420, yeah, that RX 580 Nitro, yeah, I'm not gonna get $420 for it. I'm hoping I'm gonna get at least $150 for it, but then again, I'm going to be offsetting the cost. So $420 up front for this, sell that for $150. That's gonna knock $150 off of this upgrade. That is making it worth the grab. The performance is like light years better than the RX580 in both gaming and in video editing. So that is a situation right there where an upgrade is justifiable. It's not, you know, a minute upgrade, it's a huge upgrade, but still $420 for this. Once I sell that Sapphire Nitro, then I'm really only paying what, $270 for this? That's worth it. Okay, what's the moral of this story? Well, I'm pretty much just saying that if you are in the market to upgrade any kind of technology, it doesn't have to be computer parts, it can also be your cell phone. There's a lot of people who like to have the latest and the greatest cell phone each and every year. There is a time and a place where that upgrade is justifiable. It's justifiable in my mind when I'm able to do the things that I'm currently doing, when I'm able to sell the previous year's product and offset the costs. And I typically try to offset the cost by a huge number. That RTX, that's an exception to the rule because that was a pretty substantial upgrade. But you know where I'm going with this. So a lot of people out there, they'll say, there's no need to upgrade every year your television set or your cell phone or your CPU, your GPU, so on and so forth. I say that if you're willing to put in a little legwork and sell your previous tech to offset the costs, I say upgrade until your heart's content. Upgrade every year. Upgrade whenever you want to. I'm getting the Ryzen 9 3900X or the 3900 if they come out with one during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, despite the fact that I just picked this up. But hey, I'm gonna justify it by offsetting the cost and selling this, not for the $150 I paid for it. I'm gonna try and get at least $200 for it. Then that way, that 3900X is only gonna cost me roughly $300. So once again, upgrading is justifiable. I don't care if it's from one year to the next, if you're willing to do the legwork and sell your old tech to offset the cost. Hey, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. If you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. But no matter what you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. All right, so I got you happy with that purchase. Got you happy with that purchase. Alrighty. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go and sell this now.